Hello everyone, my name is Davendra Gupta. Today I am going to help you in using Microsoft Team application tool which provide the platform of online teaching to the teachers and students. Microsoft Team is a tool where people can interact through chat, video, sharing files and everything which is required for remote learning. This is an ideal platform to interact with students. To use the Microsoft Team, follow the following steps. First, download the Microsoft Team application from www.team.microsoft.com and install on your mobile your computer. Log in with your school Microsoft ID, that is for example 020283 at atlas.betpilani.org. Click on sign in. It will ask your password. Just wait for a second. Please enter your password here and click on sign in button. Click on OK. You will reach to the dashboard of the Microsoft Team application. Just wait for a second. It will give you either the blank layout or already created teams. There are two options to create a team. First, create team either given on the top of the right hand side and another option is the calendar option. This option is the first option and this calendar option is the second option. There are many options on the left hand side. These options are activity, next is chat, then teams, then assignment, then calendar, files and attachments. When you click on the calendar, it will give you the calendar view same as on your mobile when you click on calendar. On the right hand side, there are three options: day, week and work day. That you can see from the screen. Day will show the calendar of one day, work week will for 5 days and weekday for all 7 days. Now click on the new meeting button. On the top right hand side, a menu will appear. This menu, there are three things are important. First, add title. Here, for example, class BPS, class 10th is the title. Second option is the attendees, where we have to enter the email of all the attendees. If they are from our school, then just type one or two character of their name. A list will appear and you can select from the list. You can add up to 1000 students or attendees in a meeting or a class in Microsoft Team. We can form the group of the students and can enter the entire class at a time. The next important option is date, starting time and the ending time of the class. After filling all this information, click on send button. First let me enter one name of attendees. Fine. Then your send button will activate and click on send. As soon as you will click on send button, the mail will be forwarded to all the members of the team along with the date and times and the link. As you will click on join button, first I am clicking on send. As I will click on join button, you will see the class will appear on your calendar. Click here. Click on join. As soon as you will click on join, a welcome screen will appear where you can use your camera and the mic. As soon as you will click on join now, you will enter into the class. When you enter into the class, a option bar will appear on your computer screen with time control, camera, your mic button. Next is your share screen. Next is more options. Here you can raise your hand. Next is chat, all your attendees and leave or hang up button. And next button is your mic button. The most important thing is sharing the different information to all your students. When you click on the share button, a sub menu will appear. Click on first option, that is called your screen 1 or desktop. Above the desktop there is a button called include system audio. If you want to transfer your audio, then click on this button. So it is important when you are sharing any video with your students. As soon as you will share anything, you will see line of red color will appear in the corner of your computer screen. It means your data is visible. Whatever data is there on your computer, that is visible to all your students. You can stop sharing from this particular option. Please see your mouse button. The next is more option, which has many other sub options like full screen, start your recording and your meeting, turn off your incoming videos, all these options. The next important option is your chat option, where you can transfer the text data to all the attendees of your class. Means you can communicate to the students in the text form. Using this option, you can transfer links of the different assignments as well as different quizzes which you have created, and you can share with all your students in the chat box. The next button is your participants button. As soon as you will click on participants, the list of all the attendees will appear on the right hand side, where you can control, like you can mute or unmute them. Here you can invite other members. Those members has been left out. If you see the other options, the next option is your activity options, where it shows all the notifications that comes for the different activities. The second option is chat option. From here you can open the same chat box. The next important button is your assignment button. Like if any assignment is given on this, click on next. It will show the assignments which are given by the different teachers. At the end, kindly end your meeting by clicking on these options and click on end meeting button. That's all for your Microsoft Team application. Thank you all.